Welcome to the JRD Solution YouTube channel, where financial education meets real transformation. If you're a business owner or aspiring entrepreneur, you've probably heard the term business credit. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Many entrepreneurs start businesses using personal money and personal credit without realizing that building business credit can unlock entirely new opportunities for growth. In today's video, we're breaking down business credit for beginners. You'll learn what business credit is, why it matters, how it works, and the steps you can take to start building a strong business credit profile. Because when your business has strong credit, your opportunities become much bigger. Number 1. What is business credit? Let's start with the basics. Business credit is a financial profile that belongs to your business rather than to you personally. Just like individuals have personal credit scores, businesses can establish their own credit history and creditworthiness. When lenders, suppliers, and financial institutions review your business, they often want to know whether your company can manage financial obligations responsibly. A strong business credit profile demonstrates reliability and financial stability. This can help your company qualify for financing, vendor relationships, business credit cards, and growth opportunities. The key difference is that business credit focuses on your company's financial behavior rather than your personal finances. That's why many successful entrepreneurs work to separate personal and business credit as early as possible. Number 2. Why business credit matters. Many business owners don't realize how important business credit can become. Without business credit, entrepreneurs often rely heavily on personal credit cards, personal loans, and personal guarantees. This creates risk. If your business experiences financial challenges, your personal finances may be affected as well. Strong business credit can help create separation between personal and business financial responsibilities. It can also provide access to larger funding opportunities, improved purchasing power, and stronger relationships with vendors and lenders. As your business grows, financial needs often increase. You may need equipment, inventory, marketing budgets, office space, or expansion capital. A strong business credit profile can help support those growth opportunities and provide flexibility when your company needs it most. Number 3. Create a legitimate business. The first step in building business credit is creating a legitimate business foundation. Lenders and financial institutions want to see that your company is properly established and operating professionally. This often begins with choosing an appropriate business structure, obtaining required registrations, and maintaining accurate business information. Consistency matters. Your business name, address, phone number, email, and legal records should remain professional and organized. Think of this stage as building the foundation of a house. Without a strong foundation, future growth becomes difficult. Many business credit problems start because entrepreneurs rush into funding without properly establishing their business first. Strong business credit begins with strong business structure. Number 4. Separate personal and business finances. One of the most important steps in building business credit is separating personal and business finances. Many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of mixing everything together. They use personal accounts for business expenses and business income for personal purchases. This creates confusion and can make financial management much more difficult. Opening dedicated business banking accounts helps establish professionalism and financial organization. It also creates clearer records that lenders and financial institutions may review in the future. Separation helps demonstrate that your business is operating as a legitimate, independent entity. As your company grows, this organization becomes increasingly valuable for funding opportunities, tax preparation, and long-term financial success. Number 5. Build payment history. Payment history is one of the most important factors in building business credit. Just like personal credit, business credit relies heavily on demonstrating financial responsibility over time. When your business pays obligations consistently and on schedule, it helps establish credibility. Vendors, suppliers, lenders, and financial partners often value reliability. They want confidence that your company can meet its commitments. Building positive payment habits may seem simple, but these habits create the financial reputation that supports future opportunities. The goal is to demonstrate consistency month after month and year after year. Financial trust is earned through repeated responsible behavior, and those habits become the foundation of a strong business credit profile. Number 6. Common business credit mistakes. Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs make avoidable mistakes when trying to build business credit. Some apply for funding too early, others neglect financial organization. Some fail to separate personal and business finances. Others ignore their business records altogether. The result is often frustration, denials, and missed opportunities. Building business credit is not about finding shortcuts. It's about creating a professional financial profile over time. Successful entrepreneurs understand that preparation matters. Strong systems, accurate records, responsible financial behavior, and patience all contribute to long-term success. Avoiding common mistakes can save time, reduce stress, and improve your ability to access future opportunities. Number 7. How business credit creates opportunity. When business credit is built properly, it can become a powerful growth tool. A stronger business profile may improve access to financing, vendor relationships, purchasing flexibility, and future expansion opportunities. More importantly, it can help position your business for sustainable growth. Successful businesses often need resources to scale, whether it's hiring employees, purchasing equipment, expanding locations, or increasing inventory. Financial flexibility can make growth easier. Business credit is not simply about borrowing money, it's about creating credibility, and credibility can create opportunities that help businesses move from survival mode into growth mode. That's why understanding business credit is such an important part of entrepreneurship. Number 8. How JRD Solution helps. At JRD Solution, we believe financial education empowers entrepreneurs to make better decisions and build stronger futures. Many business owners are never taught how business credit works. That's why education is such an important part of our mission. We help individuals and entrepreneurs understand financial systems, strengthen financial habits, improve business organization, and position themselves for future growth opportunities. When entrepreneurs understand how credit, funding, taxes, and business systems work together, they gain confidence and clarity. Knowledge removes uncertainty, and confident business owners make stronger business decisions. Business credit is not built overnight. It's built through preparation, consistency, and responsible financial habits. The earlier you begin building your business foundation, the more opportunities you may create for future growth. If you're serious about entrepreneurship, understanding business credit is one of the smartest investments you can make in your company's future. To learn more about financial education, business growth, credit improvement, and wealth building strategies, visit our website today, www.jrdsolution.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the JRD Solution YouTube channel for more financial education and business success content. Thank you for watching.